Me again. Hope you all had a fantastic spooky month and hope you're all having a great Halloween day today. I'm doing an unboxing video because I have not done one yet on my channel. So, I got something from Amazon earlier and we're going to unbox it and see what it is. Obviously, because I don't have a knife, I'm going to use a pair of scissors. I'm going to be extra careful. So, we're going to go down the sides first with the scissors. So difficult to get through the tape. But obviously my hands are away from the scissors, so and we're going to do the other side. Like I said just now, keep your hands away from the blade so I won't cut myself. And we're just going to go down the middle. Scissors to one side. Open the box. And I've got a note from Amazon saying, note to Taylor McEwen from Amazon, enjoy your gift. So nice enough to put a little gift card in there. And this is what I got. It is Sneak NG Generations and the flavour is Strawberry Millions. I'll be getting another one tomorrow, I will be. I'm very excited to try this flavour, I am. I have another one next to my bed which is the Bubblegum Millions. I've tasted that one, it's absolutely lovely. Literally just tastes like bubblegum, it really does. 0 sugar, 400 grams, and it serves up to 40 people. So yeah, basically on the back it says iconic taste, energy supplement with sweetener. So yeah, those of you that are thinking of cutting down on energy drinks, I would actually suggest buying this. And sometime last month or earlier on this month I got this from Amazon, which was the starter shaker, and it came with I think about 12 sachets, different flavours. So yeah, please put a comment what you want me to do in my next YouTube video. Please subscribe, like and comment on my videos. Have a good day, have a lovely week, and I'll see you all in my next video.